In this video, we're going to talk about how you can prevent degenerative disc disease from getting worse. I'm Dr. Nate, thanks for tuning in, and I made this channel to help you get strong, live well, and just keep getting after it in your life. So we're talking about degenerative disc disease today, and I'm just going to go for a little walk here. But the main thing is to improve activity levels, and in order to improve activity levels, right, because if you're having a lot of pain, it can be difficult to actually move. So we want to find things that you can do that actually don't necessarily make things worse, but actually help make things feel a little bit better. So that can be things such as, let's see if I can get this thing going down. I don't think I can move it around, but it can be using a treadmill and walking. It can be using a stationary bike. It can be lifting some weights. It can be walking out with your friends. It can be doing yoga, doing Pilates. It can be doing so many different things. It doesn't just have to be straight up exercise and lifting heavy weights and stuff like that. So there's a lot of different things that you can do to make sure that it doesn't necessarily get worse. And by the way, degenerative disc disease, I don't like the term because it's not really a disease. It is actually just a normal process of aging. Some people will be symptomatic and some will not. So that's really important to understand. And spinal fusions and things like that for disc space narrowing is not a great solution for that issue. All right, and the second thing is just to educate yourself in terms of what degenerative disc disease is. So I made a couple other videos that I'll link to up here, but understanding that it's not something that's really dangerous that is going to require immediate surgery is super important. That's how that's part of helping yourself make the symptoms not be as worse or as bad. Because if you believe that you can't move, if you believe that that's it, then you're really going to be unlikely to keep trying to improve your situation. So that's important to understand what exactly is going on. And then the third thing I want to talk about is just being consistent. So some people will be like, okay, I have to exercise more, so I'm going to walk an hour 5 days a week, or I'm going to do this every single day, or I'm going to do tons of movement, way more than I'm used to doing, and then they do it for a week and then they fall off because it's not really a sustainable habit. So what I recommend to be consistent is just start off small, and that can be like walking 5 minutes a day or getting like 1,000 steps in per day, and then slowly increasing that over time. So when you do that, it makes it so much easier. People are surprised that they actually start to either enjoy walking or some other form of activity. And that's another point actually, is to find an activity you actually enjoy. So you're going to be much more likely to be active if you find something that you enjoy. If you are struggling with something like this, whether it's sciatica or degenerative disc disease or something else, we do have a program that can help you with that. I have a practice here. This is my business. And I work with lots of people. I've worked with over 100 people now who've had similar issues. And gotten them back to doing cycling, hiking, lifting, walking, all that type of stuff. So, putting their pants on without being in agony. So if you need help with that, go ahead and click the link in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it, and please subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel out and gets the videos in front of more people. And ultimately, I'm trying to help as many people as I can who have back issues. And the reason for that is there's just not a lot of great care that is given for people who have back pain. I'm still amazed and shocked that in 2021, we have millions and millions of people who are completely disabled from a condition that is highly treatable. So please don't delay in getting this taken care of. Watch my other videos, send me a message, comment below, click on the link if you need extra help, and we'd be happy to help you. But until next time, stay strong, live well, and keep getting after it.